Heard cracking knuckles causes arthritis? Pfft, that's a total myth, fam. The pop is just gas bubbles, like nitrogen, releasing in your joint fluid. Think tiny sonic booms. Your joints are tough, not fragile. It's like popping bubble wrap, not breaking bones. Decades of research, zero scientific proof links knuckle cracking to arthritis. None. Arthritis comes from wear and tear, genetics or injury, not your harmless habit.
Is worn and inflamed.
So go ahead, crack away. Your joints just needed a little relief.